Hi, this is Jen from Dinkum Tribe, and I'm just wanting to show you some of our new packing list printables that we are giving for free as a subscriber freebie. If you subscribe to our blog, then you will get these freebies in your email. There's 3 of them. We've got the blank packing list, which as you can see, it's mostly blank, and the only thing that's there is in the essentials section. There's some things that most people will probably need for a trip that you don't want to forget, so I put those there. There's also sections for different kinds of things to pack. This is meant to be like a suitcase packing list or a carry-on packing list if you are really good at packing small. But you see you've got a space for tops, bottoms, outerwear, or activities. So you'd put like exercise gear there, or if you know you're doing a specific activity like snorkeling and you want to pack a snorkel kit, that would be there. Undergarments, toiletries, and accessories. There's a handy blank box here that says, remember, if you had a specific item that you had to have on the trip and you were afraid you might forget it. So for example, if you had tickets to an event and those are printed and you want to make sure you don't forget them, I would write that in the remember box, because that's not something I would take on every trip, but maybe on the specific trip I need it. So that's what that box is great for. That's the blank one. And then if you want to see, we also have one here for winter or cold weather packing. And you see, I've gotten more specific. I've put a couple of specific things that you would want for those things, like long sleeve shirts, sweaters and cardigans. You know, here in the outerwear section, you would have like a heavy coat, scarves, mittens, hats. Maybe if you're going skiing, you'd want to make sure you take your skis if you have skis. So it's meant to be more specific for if you're going somewhere where you're going to be dealing with a lot of cold weather. And then we also have a warm weather version. And that one's going to have stuff that's more specific to a warm weather trip. So you might have tanks or sleeveless tops. You might have sandals. You might have a swimsuit, a sun hat. Some of those things are things that you would specifically want if you were going to be somewhere where it's going to be warm. So that's why we've got some of them listed there. So you get all 3 of these printables if you sign up as a new subscriber on our blog. And we aren't going to email you a ton of stuff. It's going to be only like when we have something new out, or maybe a once a month or twice a month list of the newest posts so that you don't miss them. But this is our new subscriber freebie to our blog. So head over to our blog at dinkumtribe.com and you can get these printables sent to you right away. And you can also sign up. There should be a link in the bottom of this video for you to sign up directly there if you just want to go there and you don't want to visit the blog right away. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.